Section 4.5.4, Search Warrants. Hello, I'm Dr. Adam McKee, and today we're exploring the crucial role of search warrants within the framework of the Fourth Amendment to the United States Constitution. This video will clarify the legal requirements for issuing search warrants, the concept of probable cause, and the protections against unreasonable searches and seizures. Probable cause is a fundamental legal standard that must be met before a search warrant can be issued. It requires that there is enough evidence to convince a reasonable person that a crime has been committed and that the person or location to be searched is connected to that crime. This evidence is typically presented to an impartial magistrate or judge who decides whether the standard has been met. The impartial magistrate plays a critical role in the process by reviewing the evidence provided, often detailed in an affidavit by law enforcement. This judicial oversight ensures that the decision to issue a search warrant is not taken lightly and adheres to constitutional protections. A search warrant is a formal document that authorizes law enforcement to search a specific location or person for evidence of a crime. It specifies exactly where the search will occur and what items may be seized. This specificity is part of the particularity requirement, which prevents general searches and ensures that the search does not extend beyond the scope of the warrant. Executing a search warrant typically must adhere to certain procedural rules, including the time of day and how law enforcement announces themselves. The traditional knock and announce rule requires officers to announce their presence and purpose before entering, although exceptions, such as no-knock warrants, can apply in cases where announcing might lead to danger or the destruction of evidence. No-knock warrants allow officers to enter a property without prior warning. These warrants are controversial because they can be perceived as a greater intrusion into individuals' privacy and have the potential for violent confrontations. They are generally used only when there is a substantiated risk that announcing presence could lead to harm or compromise the investigation. The use of search warrants raises important legal and ethical questions about balancing law enforcement's needs with individuals' privacy rights. The requirements for probable cause, particularity, and judicial oversight are designed to minimize unnecessary intrusions and uphold the Constitution's protections. The proper use of search warrants is vital for maintaining public trust in law enforcement. Misuse or overuse of search warrants can lead to public perceptions of overreach and violations of civil liberties, while judicious use supports the rule of law and helps keep communities safe. Search warrants are a critical tool in law enforcement's ability to effectively investigate crimes while respecting the constitutional rights of individuals. Understanding the nuances of probable cause, the specificity required in search warrants, and the conditions under which they are executed helps ensure that both public safety and personal privacy are maintained. Thank you for joining me to delve into the legal landscape of search warrants and probable cause. If you found this overview informative, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. How do you view the balance between enforcing the law and protecting privacy? Let's discuss. This has been Search Warrants with Dr. Adam McKee. Stay informed and engaged as we continue to explore important issues in law and criminal justice.